we were talking about solutions, and we are almost at the end of the chapter. Just to review, we discussed about how to prepare a solution, different concentration units. Then we talked about how to convert between the units. The units which we talked about is mass percent solute, or mass percent solvent, or ppm. This is one thing. Second thing we talked about is conversion between the units. Conversion between the units are also very important. That molarity is given. Find molality. Mole fraction is given. Find molarity. Mole fraction is given. Find molality, small m. Mass percent is given. Find molarity. All sorts of conversion between the units. After conversion between the units, we talked about. After conversion of the unit, we talked about Henry's law, and Henry's law is very, very important. C is equal to Kp. C is equal to Kp, and we solved the question also, my friend. Then we talked about the colligative properties. Colligative properties are very important. Colligative properties depends on the number of particles, not the nature. Number of particles, not the nature. We talked about four colligative properties. They are vapor pressure lowering, boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, and the last one was osmosis. So these are the four, and then we talked individually. We talked about the first one, which is VPL. I told you, and I'm repeating those who were absent or they didn't attend the class. One of the first one is called vapor pressure lowering. Always remember for VPL, vapor pressure of solvent P10 is always greater than P1. P1 is the vapor pressure of solvent in solution, or in a simplest way, vapor pressure of solution. So P1 vapor pressure of pure solvent. P10 vapor pressure of pure solvent, and P1 is vapor pressure of solution. This is one thing. X2 is mole fraction of solute. 1 and 2. 1 stands for solvent. 2 stands for solute. And my friend, another thing which is important, that P10 minus P1, we call it VPL. We call it VPL. We call it VPL. We solve one question, then we solve BPE and FPD. BPE, boiling point elevation. Boiling point elevation. Boiling point elevation. FPD, freezing point depression. Freezing point depression. Boiling point elevation is boiling point solution minus boiling point solvent. There is a word B here. BP. BP, boiling point solution minus boiling point of solvent. In case of FPD, solvent minus solution. So please, my friend, remember all these. Please, my friend, remember all these. In BPE, boiling point elevation, boiling point of solution, is greater than boiling point of solvent. Always remember, solution is greater than boiling point of solvent. Here in freezing point depression, freezing point of solvent is greater than solution. The last one we talked about some examples, then we talked about osmosis, and the osmosis we talked about capital M, pi is equal to capital MRT. In boiling point elevation and freezing point depression, we used small m, molality, moles per kilogram of solvent. In osmosis, pi equal to MRT, MRT, pi equal to MRT, pi is osmotic pressure, unit is millimeter mercury, but lazim you have to convert into ATM. You have to convert into ATM. So the unit for pi is ATM. ATM. Capital M is molarity. Molarity means moles of solute divided by liter of solution. R is a gas constant. R is equal to 0.0821 liter ATM per mole per degree C. Depends which unit you are using. For the time being, I am using R, which is 0.0821. 0.0821. Temperature capital T, lazim Kelvin, lazim Kelvin, lazim Kelvin. Then we solve this question for you, and this was the question. And then after that, I gave you 4 equations. In these 4 equations, before I used 4 colligative properties without I. Without I means I did it for non-electrolytes. So in non-electrolytes, I don't use I. But for electrolytes, I use I. What is I? I is the number of ions. I is the number of ions. For non-electrolytes, I equal to 1. The reason is because there is no dissociation in non-electrolytes. There is no dissociation in non-electrolytes. So I is equal to 1. For electrolytes, we are going to use this equation for I. For I is the number of ions. I is the number of ions. I is the number of ions. What are electrolytes? 6 strong acids, 6 strong bases, and salts. 6 strong acids, 6 strong bases, and salts. Let me give you some example for I. And I, sodium chloride, I equal to 2. Why it is 2? Because sodium chloride, when you dissolve in water, you will get 1 sodium ion, 1 chlorine ion, 1 sodium ion, 1 chlorine ion. Total I equal to 2. Calcium chloride, 1 calcium, 2 chlorine, I equal to 3. Calcium nitrate, 1 calcium and 2 nitrate. Sometimes don't get confused with nitrate, sulfate, hydroxide, acetate, phosphate. All these, because they are from chapter 2. They are from chapter 2. They are from the list polyatomic ions. Polyatomic ions. Aluminum nitrate, 1 Al, 3 nitrate, total is 4. Let me give you an example. Chromium sulfate. Write it down on a piece of paper. Chromium sulfate, Cr2 bracket SO4 bracket outside 3. Chromium, I'm giving you the formula. Cr2 bracket SO4 bracket close outside 3. What is the value of I?
Is it 5?
Yes, 2 chromium and 3 sulfate. So be careful when you have any electrolytes. What are electrolytes? Strong acid 6, strong bases 6, and all the salts. Then I did the question, but this one and the same questions, my friend. I did it 20 gram potassium nitrate dissolved in 700 gram water. KBKF is given. I want to calculate boiling point of solution, and I also want to calculate freezing point depression. My friend, because this is potassium nitrate, I have to use the word I. Same formula as you have done before. Delta TB is equal to KBMI. KBMI, I here will be 2 because I will get 1 potassium, 1 nitrate, and then you get the answer, and I checked it with you last time. And then after that we calculated freezing point, and then I gave you the question. I gave you 5 beakers, all are aqueous solution, all are aqueous solutions, and I ask you which one will give you the highest boiling point, which one will give you the lowest freezing point. So the answer was E. Please cancel D from here. This is wrong. Please cancel highest boiling point this, and freezing lowest will be E. So this, remove this from here, and then we talked about the, okay. Now my friend, something new. 4 colligative properties, 4 colligative properties, 4 colligative properties, all these properties we can use to find molar mass of an unknown substance. Four colligative properties. These 4 colligative properties can be used to find out molar mass of an unknown compound. Unknown compound. Generally, unknown compounds are non-electrolytes. Generally, non-electrolytes we use. But what did I say? You can use all 4 colligative properties to find molar mass of an unknown compound. Molar mass of an unknown compound. I will give you an example. Look at this example. This example which I am doing it now, the example which I am doing it now is Mohim Jiddan 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 Jiddan. Just to make sure that you will say, oh, 0.225 gram of a protein means non-electrolytes. 0.225 gram of a protein dissolved to prepare 50, dissolve in water. You write down here in water. Dissolved in water. Please write it down. 0.225 grams of a protein dissolved in water to prepare 50 ml solution at 25 degrees C. pi of this solution is 4.18 millimeter mercury. If it is 4.18 millimeter mercury, 4.18 millimeter mercury, what is the molar mass of protein? What is the molar mass of protein? Which formula I am going to use? Pi equal to capital M R T. Here capital pi should be in ATM. I have 4.18. Can I divide by 760? Can I divide by 760? Why I am doing it by 760? Because 760 millimeter mercury is equal to 180 M. So I got the answer this. So 4.18 divided by 760. Is this the correct number? 5.5 10 to the power minus 3.
Yes, doctor.
Good. Okay, my friend. The formula I know is pi is equal to MRT. Before I go to the next step, I want to tell you something very, very important. This question is always mawjood in the exam. Then what is something new you are telling me? That it always comes in the exam. Yes, I understand. Yes, yes. No, my friend, not this. I am trying to tell you something very important. 50% of the students, maybe more, maybe less, approximately 50% of the students, they do this question wrong and they lose 1 point. Why? I will tell you why. They try to do every step in one step. No, I want you to do it step by step. So I am doing it step by step. My formula is, so you have to be very careful. If you can do it directly in one go, yes, I will not do it. I will go step by step. So formula is pi is equal to MRT. In my first step, I will find capital M. What is capital M? Pi over RT. I know pi, I know R, I know T, and I got this M, molarity. Molarity. Is this number correct? Is this number correct, Fatima?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, baby. Now, next step. I will not do in one step. Once I got the molarity, molarity formula equal to moles over liter. I know M, I know L. How do I know L? L, I have 50 ml solution. 50 ml solution. 50 ml solution. 50 ml solution. Can I convert 50 ml into liter? Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
divide by 1000. So I know liter, I know molarity. Can I get mole? Is this the correct number? Is this the correct number?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Mole equal to 10 to the power. Okay. Now my last step. Mole equal to gram over molar mass. Mole equal to gram over molar mass. Mole equal to gram over molar mass. I know mole, which is this. I know gram, which is 0.225. Can I get mm? Is this correct number? One minute, my friend. correct? Is this number correct, my friend? 2 into 10 to the power 4.
Yes.
Okay, my friend, 1 minute. Okay, my friend. Sorry.
I don't know, doctor, but
Is this
I think
is this the correct number? 2 into 10 power 4?
I got a different number. It's
Okay, what is the different
to the
number,
power
brother?
7.
2 to the power 7. Okay, write it down. Okay, let me check, my friend. Okay, so gram is 0.225. Let me check. Gram 0.225
Okay,
divided by
that's my fault. I
1.1
didn't see the point. I was
minus
confused.
5, 2 into 10 to the power 4. This is my answer.
Yes.
Okay, brother?
I didn't see the
Okay,
point.
no problem. No problem. As I said, all 4 corrugative properties can be used to calculate molar mass of an unknown compound. Another example, 0.4 gram of an unknown sample dissolved in water. Why he doesn't write completely? Write it down. In water. My friend, whenever I do the correction, please do it. Please. In water to prepare 250 ml solution at 27 degrees C, pi is this, find molar mass. Same thing. Just check these numbers. Is these numbers correct? The reason I am telling you, I just want to make sure that you do it in steps. First step, find capital N. Second step, find moles. Third step, find molar mass. I don't want you to do one because look at this, I just got one example. I'm not saying that you don't know, you know it. But yeah, the thing is that you have, there is no harm if you do it in steps. So just check, my friend, are these numbers correct? First step, molarity, capital M. Second, mole. Third, molar mass. Please check. Please check.
Yes, doctor, all correct.
All correct. Okay. All correct. Okay, my friend. Okay, my friend. I just want to find a question from boiling point, elevation, and freezing point. Can you give me 2 minutes so I can get it from the book? I have solved the question for molar mass. I want to give you at least one more question for molar mass, for molar mass, for molar mass. So So far, I have used osmosis. Now, I would like to calculate molar mass using either boiling point elevation method or freezing point depression method. So give me a second. Let me grab the book. I got the book and let me check because I want to do practice because everybody is busy. You don't have time. And my friend, when you don't have time, it is very important for me to do practice with you. Okay, my friend. Okay, my friend. I am trying to find a question if I can. My friend, I found the question, so I will just send it to you and I want you to solve it, my friend. Okay, just one question, just to give you an idea. Did you receive my question, my friend? Question
Yes.
number 59 and 60. I just want you to solve question number 60, no problem. Okay, my friend, question number 59 or 60, whichever you like. Which one do you want me to solve it? Or you solve it? Okay, I will give you the idea and then you share your answer with me. Okay, can I read it, please? How about 60? Okay. Are you ready? I am reading with you. You have your telephone, right?
Yes.
Okay. An aqueous solution of MCl, what is the number? I can't read it. MCl3.
Yes, it's a 3.
MCl3 is prepared by dissolving 31.15 gram of electrolyte in 725 ml water. Density of water is 1, so you can say 725 gram. 725 gram water. Why? Because as I said, density of water is 1. Solution freezes at minus 2.11. And he would like to know what is M. Which metal is this? M metal. Instead of asking molar mass, he's asking what is M. Okay, which formula you are going to use?
Osmotic formula.
Which formula I am going to use? Which formula you are going to use, my friend? Can anybody help me?
Is it that one for a freezing point?
Delta TF equal to KF MI. Delta TF equal to KF MI. Yes or no? You agree with me? Why I'm using I?
Because it is
Electrolyte. Very good. Okay. Now, delta TF. What is the formula for delta TF? Freezing point solvent minus freezing point solution. What will be my delta TF? 0 minus 2.11. What will be delta TF?
2.11.
Equal to KF. What is KF for water? 1.86. Can I find molality? Find out. Multiply by I. What is the value of I? What is the value of I?
4.
4. Why 4? I will repeat. Which formula I am going to use? Delta TF equal to KF small mi. Why I am using I? Because electrolyte. How do I know I equal to 4? Look at the last line of the question. MCl3. How many M I will get? How many? 1. How many Cl I will get?
3.
Total I will be how much? 4. Okay. Delta TF equal to KFMI. Do you know delta TF? 0 minus 2.11. So delta TF will be 2.11 with a positive sign. Equal to KF. Do I know KF? 1.86. So 1.86 multiply by M multiply by 4. Can you find small m?
Yes, sure.
Okay. What is small m, please? Let me also do it.
0.28.
Okay. I'm depending on you. So everybody got 0.28?
Yes, 0.284.
284. Good. Molality is equal to moles of solute divided by kilogram solvent. How many kilogram of solvent do I have? How many grams do I have?
31.15.
How many grams of solvent, how many grams of water do I have? How many grams of water I have in my question?
Is it 725?
7 to 5 grams. Actually, it is written milliliter, but I converted it into gram because density of water is 1. Correct?
Yes,
So now, 725 gram, can I convert into kilogram?
of course.
Yes.
How? Divide by
Did
1000. What will be your answer?
0.7.
0.725. Multiply 0.725 by 0.284. Can I get moles? Can I get moles? What is the mole?
Is it 0.21?
I don't know because I'm not calculating. I'm just depending on you. What is the answer, Brother Hussein?
0.21.
Okay. Fatma, did you get the same number? Hello, everybody, anybody? Fatma, Mariam, Amina. Hello. Okay, once I found the mole is equal to grams over molar mass. Mole equal to grams over molar mass. Do I know gram? I know mole, I know gram. Can I get molar mass? What is the
Yes.
answer? Give me the answer.
One 165.8.
165.8. Okay. This is the molar mass of MCl3. Can I find what is M?
I think I did it wrong because it is
I don't know, brother.
aluminum.
It means I have to do it then. Please check. I have given you the method. I want you to solve it for me, please. I think I better solve it. Okay, so okay. Can you share it with me, or what is the molar mass of MCl3? I just need the final answer. MCl3 total.
165.
I don't know, brother. I am not calculating. I'm just depending on you. Is there anybody else who is doing with me, or just he's the only one who's doing? Hussein. Hello. Okay, my friend, let me solve it then. and then I will share it with you. Okay, my friend, let me solve it. Okay.
Yes, doctor, I forgot to subtract the
Brother Hussein, you are
mass of.
getting everything. I will do it. So I will
I
write down
always forgot.
formula KFMI. So this is 0 minus 0 2.11 equal to 1.86 times m times 4. So m will be equal to 2.11 over 1.86 times 4 equal to, I am doing it, my friends. Okay, 2.11 divided by 1.86 divided by 4, and the answer is 0.2836. Now 0.2836 is equal to moles MCl3 divided by 725 times 1000. So moles of MCl3 equal to, multiply by 0.725, and my friend, the answer is 0.2056 mole. 0.2056 mole equal to molar mass down. How many grams, brother? Hello? What in the question?
It
How
is
many grams?
31.15.
Hui?
31.15.
31.15. Thank you. 31.15. So molar mass is 31.15 divided by 2056. Okay, so 31.15 divided by 0.2056, and the answer is 151.5 grams per mole. M plus 3, 35.45 equal to 151.5 m plus. I'm just going to send you the question in a second, my friend. 45 multiplied by 3 is 106.35 equal to 151.1. So the m is metal equal to multiply plus 151.5, and the answer is 45.15. 45.15, let me see. 41. Okay, so this answer is M is SC. What is SC? scandium from periodic table. I will send you the answer, my friend. Please check. Please check, my friend. Please check my calculation. Is this correct? Please check my calculation, my friend. Please check my calculation and tell me, is this correct, my friend? Is this correct? Yes or no, please?
I am checking.
Okay, brother, take your time.
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, my friend. So this is how you calculate. Same question. At the end of the question, I am asking for molar mass. Once you find the molar mass, this is the molar mass of the compound. But this is a little different question. He's not asking for molar, he is asking for molar mass, but in a different way, saying find which metal is this? What is the name of this capital M? Very simple. I found the molar mass. Molar mass of the compound is MCl3, the total. Cl, I know Cl 35.45 multiplied by 3 and I subtracted it. Total minus 3Cl, I subtracted it. I got the atomic mass of metal M. I looked at the periodic table and I found what is M. So the same question, it's a different way. So you can use boiling point elevation method, freezing point depression method, osmotic pressure method, and even VPL method. If you are going to use VPL method, I want to find molar mass. What I will do, tell me how to find the molar mass. Just give me an idea. Give me an idea how to find molar mass using VPL method. Very simple. What is the formula for VPL? VPL is equal to X2P1 0 if it is electrolyte multiply by I. If I know VPL, if I know I, can I get X2? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is X2? Mole fraction of solute or solvent? What is X2? Mole fraction of solute or solvent? Mole fraction of solute. So mole fraction of solute X2 will be equal to moles of solute divided by moles of solute plus moles of solvent. If I know the grams of solvent, I can get X1 and I know, so can I get N2? I know X2, I know N1, can I get N2?
Yes.
If I know N2, can I get molar mass if I know the gram?
Yes.
This is the way. So don't get confused that how how can I do it? No, it's just one method. Generally, as I said, generally we use osmosis method or osmotic pressure method and boiling point and freezing point method to calculate mole fraction, to calculate molar mass of a given compound. So my friend, this is your chapter on solution. Inshallah, how much time do I have?
4 minutes.
4 minutes is not enough. So inshallah, Monday I will start a chapter called gases. Monday I'll start the chapter gases. In the meantime, my friend, if you have any question related to solution, please, I am requesting you, if anybody has the old exams, and if you have old exams, and if you have a question, you cannot solve it, please send it to me. Please send it to me and I will solve it and I will send you in the group. I need the question, but try not to write handwritten question. Take a picture because sometimes it's handwritten is not very clear. So make sure if anybody has any old exam and you have questions related to solutions, please, 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 I'm talking about numerical questions, how to calculate, how to do the conversion between the units, Boyle's law, Henry's law, corrugative properties questions. So whatever, if you have, please ask, please ask, please ask. So if you have any question related to solution, please, this is a very important question. Don't think that your exam is too far. No, my friend. By the time the exam will come, you will finish. You will have chapter 5 also. So please, the remaining part of chapter 4, which is acid-base reactions, redox reactions, oxidation number, how to calculate, balancing the equation, and this is the chapter which we just finished, solutions. Solution, my friend, solution. Any questions related to solution, please practice. Please practice. Please practice, my friend. So inshallah, from Monday, we will start a new chapter. We'll start a new chapter on gases. In the meantime, if you have any questions related to solution, please ask me. Please ask me. Those people who are absent, mashallah, mashallah, they are absent. And if they have any question, please first you listen to the recording. After listening to recording, my friend, then you can ask me question. But again, I am requesting you all the time, and I'm requesting you again, please attend classes. The chapters which are coming are very, very important. Very, very important. Do you have any question before I close the before I stop my class? Please tell me.
Thank you, Doctor.
No problem at all. How about your labs? Did you finish all the labs or is still more, few more?
I think there is one more.
One more lab, okay. So inshallah by next week you will finish. Make sure you submit your lab reports. Also very, very important. My friend, people, they don't care, they don't attend the labs. And when they don't attend the lab, I am getting at least 4 or 5, maybe sometime 10. The teacher I attended, my friend, if you attended the, because the lab teacher is taking the attendance, my friend, please attend the lab and submit your lab reports in time. In time, because at the end of the semester, when at the end of the lab, she or he will give it to me, the lab marks. So I don't want you to lose marks, even though if it is 10%. 10% is a lot. 10% can change your grade, my friends. So I would request you to submit the lab report in time. Okay, my friend? Thank you so much. We'll start inshallah. Please tell me, look at this. 31 people attended the class. 31 people. Very good. 31 people. Okay, my friend, I am going to stop the recording. So this is, I stopped. Please tell me, did I stop?